18 dietitian-approved healthy snack ideas to help you decide what to eat. What's the best snack? Struggling to find snacks that are both delicious and nutritious? You're not alone. With endless options lining store shelves, choosing the right snack can feel overwhelming. To simplify your search, we've compiled 18 dietitian-approved snack ideas that cater to diverse tastes and dietary needs. From protein-packed picks to fiber-rich bites, these snacks will keep you energized and satisfied between meals. Here are the 18 dietitian-approved healthy snack ideas you can choose. Number 1. Greek yogurt with fresh berries. Why dietitians love it. High in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt paired with antioxidant-rich berries supports gut health and curbs sugar cravings. Pro tip: add a sprinkle of nuts for crunch and healthy fats. Number 2. Apple slices with almond butter. Why dietitians love it. Apples provide fiber, while almond butter adds plant-based protein and healthy fats. This combo stabilizes blood sugar and keeps you full longer. Number 3. Mixed nuts and seeds. Why dietitians love it. A portable blend of nuts and seeds delivers heart-healthy fats, magnesium, and zinc. Opt for unsalted varieties to keep sodium in check. Number 4. Veggie sticks with hummus. Why dietitians love it. Crunchy veggies like carrots and bell peppers paired with fiber-rich hummus create a satisfying low-calorie snack loaded with vitamins. Number 5. Hard-boiled eggs. Why dietitians love it. Packed with protein and choline, hard-boiled eggs are a convenient, nutrient-dense option for on-the-go energy. Number 6. Dark chocolate-covered almonds. Why dietitians love it. Dark chocolate, 70% plus cacao, offers antioxidants, while almonds provide protein. Enjoy in moderation for a sweet yet balanced treat. Number 7. Whole grain toast with avocado. Why dietitians love it. Rich in fiber and monounsaturated fats, this combo supports heart health. Top with chili flakes or hemp seeds for extra flavor. Number 8. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Why dietitians love it. Cottage cheese is a calcium and protein powerhouse. Pair with pineapple for a tropical twist and a dose of vitamin C. Number 9. Roasted chickpeas. Why dietitians love it. Crispy, fiber-packed chickpeas are a crunchy alternative to chips. Season with paprika or cumin for a savory kick. Number 10. Turkey and cheese roll-ups. Why dietitians love it. Lean turkey and cheese provide protein and calcium. Wrap in lettuce for a low-carb, gluten-free option. Number 11. Edamame. Why dietitians love it. These young soybeans are rich in plant protein and iron. Sprinkle with sea salt for a simple, satisfying snack. Number 12. Oatmeal with chia seeds. Why dietitians love it. A warm bowl of oats offers soluble fiber, while chia seeds add omega-3s. Top with cinnamon for natural sweetness. Number 13. Rice cakes with peanut butter. Why dietitians love it. Light rice cakes topped with peanut butter balance carbs and protein. Choose natural peanut butter to avoid added sugars. Number 14. Kale chips. Why dietitians love it. Bake kale with olive oil for a crispy, vitamin-rich snack. Perfect for replacing greasy potato chips. Number 15. Tuna on whole grain crackers. Why dietitians love it. Tuna provides omega-3 fatty acids, while whole grain crackers add fiber. Opt for low-mercury tuna varieties. Number 16. Protein smoothie. Why dietitians love it. Blend spinach, banana, protein powder, and almond milk for a nutrient-dense post-workout refresher. Number 17. Popcorn air popped. Why dietitians love it, a whole grain snack that's low in calories. Spritz with olive oil and nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor boost. Number 18. DIY Trail Mix. Why dietitians love it. Customize with unsweetened dried fruit, nuts, and dark chocolate chunks. Portion control is key to keeping calories in check. Snacking smart doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. These 18 dietitian-approved ideas offer a mix of convenience, nutrition, and taste to suit any lifestyle. Whether you're craving sweet, savory, or crunchy, these options help you stay energized and focused throughout the day. Experiment with these snacks and share your favorites. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching me on this tasty journey to smarter snacking. If you enjoyed these dietitian-approved ideas, smash that like button to help others discover this video. Drop a comment below and let me know, which snack are you excited to try first? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more easy, healthy recipes and nutrition tips that make wellness delicious. Together, let's snack smarter and live brighter. One bite at a time.